AB Emblem. About us. We make emblems, also known as patches, as well as key clips and rings, bag tags, ornaments, and more. Our founder began supplying the U.S. military in 1941. AB started working with NASA in 1961. We became the exclusive supplier of mission patches to NASA in 1970. We continue to serve NASA and the U.S. military today, as well as large national associations and thousands of commercial clients. The Boy Scouts of America, large national associations, Girl Scouts of the USA, all trust AB Emblem to make their patches. AB owns and operates ISO 9001 factories in the USA, Mexico, and China. This gives us huge and flexible capabilities to serve our clients. Our capacity is unmatched. You see our custom emblems everywhere, even if you are not aware of it until now. We supply uniform companies and workwear brands. AB is one of a handful of approved U.S. suppliers for U.S. Postal Service patches. Another large market for us is resellers, including PPAI, ASI, and SAGE members. AB supplies gift store buyers at national and state parks, museums, aquariums, zoos, sporting venues, and tourist destinations around the world. Our customers include outdoor, lifestyle, sports and motorsports, tactical, and apparel brands. So now that you know what we do, how can we help you?